Alright, stop. I can't spray this stuff around the house. It's just not safe. I have kids. I have a dog that my daughter would kill me if anything happened to, so I have to find alternative means. So let me start from the beginning. First off, when I was single, I would spray this stuff all over the place, and it would keep all types of insects, spiders, whatever, out. Now that I have a house, I moved into this new house actually, and it has a basement. And apparently, this is where all life began for spiders because I'm infested with them. And I had to find a way to get rid of them. And they just kept coming. Every time it would kill them, it seemed like 10 would come back. So finally, I did a little research, and I found some stuff called Diatomaceous Earth. Yeah, it's a mouthful. So basically, it's just this crushed up sedimentary rock. It's a fine powder, and you just can sprinkle it wherever you want. And it's worked out great. It's supposed to be safer than, pesticides and bug spray and different things like that. So this is why I went with this. And my dog doesn't really go near it. My child doesn't go near it. But the good thing is I can see it. So if they do try to go near it, I can keep them away from it. Because even though it's less harmful, it's still a powder. So when you are applying it, you want to let it settle before you breathe it in. So you want to make sure you have a mask. But besides that, this stuff has worked great. So basically how it works is if any insect crawls through it, it suffocates them because of little fine particles in it. And usually if it doesn't kill them right away, it'll kill them shortly after. So you may see a trail of insects here and there, but this has done wonders, and I love it. There's only been one super spider that ever made it past it, and then I have a vacuum that just vacuums it up. But besides that, this stuff has been great. But as a backup, I've also used something else. So these little traps, you've probably seen them around your work or somewhere. A lot of exterminators put them around. They're just sticky little traps. I like this one because it has a nice little vanilla scent to it. Not that it really helps or matters, but when I'm taking it apart, it's kind of nice instead of some nasty glue smell. But yeah, I use these and they work really well. So you just kind of put them in corners where you think the insects are coming, and yeah, it works. They've worked really well. Basically anything that crawls past it, I've heard even some small rodents get stuck in these as well. So yeah, it has a tape at the bottom so you can tape it down. I usually don't, but you can if you feel it necessary. So these two items have worked out really well for me in controlling my insect infestation, as you can call it, in my basement. Because usually I'd see a spider a day, and not these little ones, these big, like wolf spiders, gross. So yeah, this has been a lifesaver, and I'm very happy that I found these two products. Oh, wait. Crazy enough, they also have a Diatomaceous Earth sprayer, because this stuff gets really messy, and if you're just kind of shaking it around, it gets all over the place. So it's like a little accordion, you squeeze it, and it'll puff it in little places that you want. Again, wear protection, because it can get very dusty, and you have to wait until it settles before you want to take the mask off. So make sure you wear some type of protection so you're not breathing all this in, because it's still not safe, even still particles. Kind of like if you were woodworking and you get all the sawdust. You want to keep your face covered because you don't want to breathe all those little particles in. So yeah, this is what I use. I'll link everything below so you can find it, and it's just a little spray. It worked wonders. So yes, these two combinations have kept the spiders at bay. The only gross thing that I have to say about it is when this stuff catches all the spiders, you have to do something with it. So when this stuff kills the spiders, I just vacuum it up. But with these things, I kind of have to, I have a little picker-upper that I use. I'll show you. That I use to get rid of them because, yeah, it's kind of gross. Because once you have them stuck on there, quite a few, it gets a little gnarly. This stuff has worked out great for me. Let me know how it's worked out for you. Go ahead, try it, and put your comments down below. I'd love to hear from you. One last thing, I have a Facebook page. It's really hard to get feedback and help people the way I want through YouTube. So if you head over to my Facebook page, that'll be linked below as well. If you have more in-depth questions, you can show me videos, pictures of your issue, and I can help you a little bit more because this is mostly a DIY channel. So anything I can do or have more visual aids to help you, the better it will be for both of us. So go check it out, join, and then as things come up, we can share ideas and hopefully help each other. So as always, like and subscribe. Thank you. Take care. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching Hindsight 101. Click the subscribe button and select the notification bell to stay up to date.